Hey guys, welcome back. Princess Pie here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Guys, don't forget you can follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below and subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and like this video. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, I'll just draw my brows using my brow pencil to outline my brows and also to fill in my brows, and then I would clean it up using my Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. I'll just blend out that concealer and brush my brows using my spoolie. Then I would prime my eyelid using my Girl eyeshadow primer, and then apply that burgundy shade to my outer V and into my crease line. Then I'll just go over that shade using that purple and I'll blend. Then I'll go over the purple with the pink. And also blend. Then I'll apply that milky shade to my underbrows and blend as well. Then I'll cut my crease using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. Then I'll prime the place I just cut. Then I'll apply that orange shade right there. And then the yellow. I'll just blend. And then I'll draw my eyeliner using my NYX waterproof gel liner. And I'll fix my lashes. Guys, I have a video on this and I'll leave the link in the description box below, so please check it out. I'll apply my mascara and then use my white eyeliner from my waterline. Then I would prime my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. And then I would use my foundation from Mary Kay. Blend using my Damn Beauty blender. Then highlight my face using my Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. Blend again with my Damn Beauty blender. Set my face using my SACHA BUTTERCUP setting powder. Dust off excess powder. Then I'll contour my face using my Girl concealer in the shade Espresso. Guys, I also have a video on how I highlight and contour. I'll leave the link in the description box below, so please check it out as well. I'll blend. Then I'll also contour my face using my powder contour from Mary Kay. Then I'll blend and dust off excess powder. Then I'll blend all over my face using that clean brush and go back with that burgundy shade for the outer part of my lower lid. Then the orange for the middle part and the yellow for the inner part. I'll apply mascara to my lower lashes. Then I'll apply my blush. Spray my face with my setting spray, highlight my face. Line my lips using my lip liner from J-Cat Beauty. Apply my nude lipstick from Wet n Wild. Then blend. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share this video as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.